Usuphindeke waveza ukuthi ufuna ubulungiso umndeni wentombazanyana eneminyaka eyi-13 ubudala yaseNaledi ecaleni eliqhubekayo lokudlwengula elibandakanya uthisha wesikole samabanga aphansi iKarabo Primary School. Leli cala uqale ukubikwa ngalo ngoJuni kolonyaka seliqhubekele phambili enkantolo kulandela ukuvela okokuqala komsolo enkantolo kaMantshi yaseProtea. Lo mndeni uthi namanje usakhungathekile ngenxa yalesi sigameko wabeke usonxusa ukuthi inqubo yokuthethwa kwecala kufanele iqinisekise ukuthi umenzi wokubi ubhekana nomthetho ngaphandle kokuthandabuza.
Luthethe okokuqala nqa usapho lomfundi wesikolo samabanga aphansi iKarabo nekutyholwa ngokuba udlwengulwe yitishala yesisikolo lubalisa ngentlungu edalwe sesisiganeko.
She eventually opened up to me and then wangitshela ukuthi like uthisha bekambiza ukuthi aze kwakhe but abangenanga endlini, then wamthatha wamise eparkini eZola after bathini le ibuild it, and then bekakhuluma naye lapho baxoxa amtshela ukuthi hey uyamthanda, but umntwana beka reluctant ukungitshela ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakaleni. Then ngambuza mina ngathi nayenzani manifika lapho, wathi lo thisha lo undaba wamcela ukuthi amcabule, wathi ngikhumule, and then maqeda ukukhumula wathi ngibhekele, wathi ubhekele, and then wayenzani ke after that athi wafaka into yakhe emuva kwami. Ngathi how many times did that happen? Wathi several times. Was it on different occasion or the same day? What different occasions? He repeated the same thing. Then and the child told me, please don't tell my mom. And then I said, no, this is something I cannot just keep quiet about. And then ngabizuma wakhe on the spot ngathi yazi ngithatha umntwana kwise police station. Wathi no, uthisha sekavule i-case. Ngathi no, that's a different case, that's for school. We are opening a new case now.
Xa kungoku olusapho lunyanzelisa ukubona kusenzeka ubulungisa.
So like I was so disappointed and hurt. Truly speaking, I was very hurt. If I could have met the guy on the spot, it was going to be something else. I don't want to lie. Then it breaks my heart, as we as men, people who need to be trusted, but yet at the same time we turn people into victims. It's very sad. It's sad. Thina sifuna umuntu athole sifuna ukuthola justice kahle akabosho lo muntu lo, even though it won't wipe out everything ayenzile, but at least somehow uthole punishment, you understand, ngoba ukukhuluma iqiniso there's a lot of punishment umuntu lo ayideservayo.
Lo titshala ebevelile kwakhona kwinkundla kaMantyi yaseProtea kwaye kulindeleke kuba avele kwakhona ngomhla we-15 kule nyanga. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eNaledi.